Well, I'm going to tell you how I replaced my frames. I was out camping and my glasses broke right in the middle there, broke off there. Two places broke. I go, oh my God, what are you going to do, I didn't have no backup pair. So, what did I do? First, I thought about maybe tape, but then I thought, well, that ain't going to hold because they were just kind of like wire glasses. So I came up with another idea. Go to Walmart. It was late at night. Get one of them cheap $5 pair of reading glasses. I went and popped the lens out of my old frames, and I took the lens into Walmart, which they've got a lot of places got them old reading glasses, and found a frame that pretty much matched. And then I popped the frames out of the reading glasses, and then I had to sand it around the edge there a little bit with some, I don't know what, paper, maybe kind of coarse, but not too bad. These are polycarbonate lenses. Didn't take too much to sanding, Still had like a groove still all the way around it, where the lens pops in. And for $5 and some sandpaper I bought at Walmart, which was, I don't know, maybe $8, I was able to repair the glasses, and then till my new ones come in, I ordered another set. So there you go. That's probably the best, cheapest way in an emergency you can fix your glasses if you need to, which I did. I kind of got used to couldn't read anything or anything, So anyway, that's what I did. If you need some frames for your glasses, maybe try my idea out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.